Hello class 5. In this video, we'll be learning about area of triangle with acute or obtuse angle. So let's say that there is a rectangle ABCD, okay? And if there is a triangle, this triangle is not a right angle triangle like yesterday, okay? This is an acute angled triangle. So the name of this triangle is EBC. All right. So how do we find this kind of triangle? Okay, whose which is not related as the right angle triangle in the previous case. So in this case, first we learn how the triangle's area is obtained. All right. So let's say that this rectangle is divided into two parts by drawing a line EF. Okay. Now here we have a rectangle ABFE and there is another rectangle EFCD. So there are two rectangles. Okay. Now if this rectangle is divided into equal halves by drawing this line BE, then BEF, this portion will be formed as a triangle. Okay, so triangle BEF or triangle BFE is a triangle which is half the area of this rectangle ABFE. So we can say that area of triangle BEF, this triangle, is area of rectangle ABFE, this rectangle, divided by 2. Alright, so when you divide this one, you will get the area of this triangle. So let's say that this rectangle has this portion, the breadth is 3 centimeter and the length is 6 centimeter. Then in that case, like previously, we have formed out the area this way. So area of rectangle is 6 into 3 divided by 2. Okay, so 6 into 3 gives us 18 divided by 2, and 18 divided by 2 is 9 centimeter squared. That means the area of triangle BFE is equal to 9 centimeter squared. So this is how we have found the area yesterday. Okay, so the same technique is getting applied over here. Now in the second case, let's talk about this rectangle. Okay, rectangle EFCD, where we draw a line. Okay, and this rectangle is divided into two parts. Okay, where this is the triangle EFC. Okay, so triangle EFC will be half the area of this rectangle EFCD. Okay, so we can say that area of triangle EFC is equal to area of rectangle EFCD divided by 2. Okay, this triangle's area will be half of this rectangle's area. Okay, now let's say that this length from here to here is equal to 7 centimeter, and this one is already we have used 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. So the area of this triangle will be equal to 6 into 7 divided by 2. Okay, that is the area of rectangle divided by 2. So when you multiply 6 into 7, you will get 42 divided by 2, that is equal to 21 centimeter squared. All right, so this much is 21 centimeter squared, and this one was 9 centimeter squared. Okay, so this is 9 centimeter squared and this one is 21 centimeter squared. Now in that case, this triangle, the same triangle, okay, whose area you have to find, can be obtained as that 9 centimeter squared plus 21 centimeter squared, and when you add, the total will be equal to 30 centimeter squared. All right, so this is how the area of the rectangle the area of triangle EBC is obtained. but this is quite a lengthy process. Okay, so this lengthy process has to be shortened and an easy method has to be obtained. So now we know that in this triangle EBC, this line over here, this line was 6 centimeter, and this one was 3 centimeter from here to here, and this one was 7 centimeter. All right, so the total of 3 and 7 becomes 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeters and this one is 6 centimeters. All right, now this portion is called as the height of the triangle. Okay, so from here to here is the height of the triangle, which is equal to 6 centimeter. And down there, this BC will be called as the base of the triangle. So the base of the triangle is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we can directly apply area of triangle EBC as the formula is equal to half into base into height. Remember, base over here is this 10 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. All right, so when you use the formula half into base into height, okay, and just put these values, half into base is 10 centimeter, okay, and the height is 6 centimeter. Okay, now half means this 2 in the denominator will cancel this 10 5 times, so you'll get 5 centimeter, okay, out of this one, 5 centimeter into 6, and 5 into 6 again will result to 30 centimeter squared, which was the same answer as the previous one. Okay, in the previous method also we obtained the same answer but using a lengthier process, and here also we are getting the same answer using a small formula, and this formula is area of triangle EBC, or whatever is the area, you just use area is equal to half base into height. Okay, with whichever triangle it is, whether it's an obtuse angle triangle or acute angle triangle, the formula remains the same. So this is the way you have to find the area of the given triangles. Okay, so your assignment is exercise 10.3, page number 145, question number 2. Thank you.